tip of the day: start by taking action. Pull your credit report, list every debt, and make one payment today. Do the same thing tomorrow. That's how rebuilding credit truly begins. Getting out from under debt isn't just about waiting for things to improve. It's about doing the small, consistent steps that create momentum. Call your creditors. Set payment reminders, track your spending, and celebrate each bill you bring current. Progress happens when you move, and each action you take proves that your financial recovery is already in motion. Take action today. Check your credit, make one payment, and take control of your financial comeback.